Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install n8n, which is the best AI automatization software right now, completely for free on your computer. First thing you will need is Docker Desktop, so just Google Docker Desktop or go to docker.com/product search Docker Desktop and click here on download Docker Desktop. Now, if you have an Apple, you are selecting basically your chipset, and if you have a Windows, you are also selecting your chipset. Now, how to quickly know if you are running an AMD 64 and ARM 64? Basically, go to your control panel. I will do this right now. So just go to your control panel, just search for it, and here you will see it in system type. If you have 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor, this means you are running an AMD chipset. Therefore, you just download for Windows AMD 64 and then just go through the installer. It's a pretty simple process. After a successful installation, you should see something like this. Now, if during the installation it has popped up or already afterwards that you need something called WSL, this is super simple to install. You just go in here, search for PowerShell, click on Windows PowerShell. So a window like this will pop up, and then you say WSL-install. You hit this and the WSL will be installed for you, and then you will here have like a restart button where you will just restart Docker Desktop. With Docker Desktop installed, now we have to go to something called Docker Hub. So just hub.docker.com or just Google for Docker Hub. And inside the Docker Hub, we are looking for n8n. So let's look for this. Let's click on the first one and let's click Run in Docker Desktop. Open Docker Desktop, and here our container or image first will be downloaded. So a quick explanation what is happening. We are downloading a server image with the n8n installed on it, and then we will run this kind of server on our computer and we will be able to access the software that is on it. This basically gets rid of any kind of dependencies that you must fulfill. After the image has finished downloading, you just search for it here, n8n, and you will click on run in a second, but first we need to create a folder where we will store the n8n data. I have created such folder here. I will just copy the path to it. After we have created the folder, we can now press run. Now here in the settings, let's name the container n8n. Host port, let's say 5678. And then here on the host path, let's paste our path first. And then here we say /home/node/.n8n. This is a path on the container that will contain our workflows. Now let's press run. And the container will be running in a second. After you see a message that the editor is now accessible via certain URL, you just click on the URL, your browser should open, and you should see the n8 logo or the n8 starting page. Now from here, you just create an account. Now, while this is a good way of running n8n just locally, but of course then it only runs if your PC is actually on. What you can also use is a service called Hostinger, and here it offers basically hosted n8n instances, and it starts from just $5 a month. So already for $5 a month, you can have your n8n instance that will be running in the cloud directly for you. So if you want to have some production-like workflows that will be able to run at whatever time, not depending on if your PC is on or not, then you can use this Hostinger. It will be just a little bit cheaper than paying directly to the n8n cloud hosting. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in other videos.